two popular password managers each claiming a safer, simpler life online. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, LastPass, user-friendly password management for all devices, and on the right, Bitwarden, open source, secure, and affordable password keeper. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, real quick, here's our roadmap. We'll be comparing these two across security, price and free plan, features, platform support, transparency and trust, and ease of use. Got that in your mind? Cool, let's move on. Alright, first up, security. With LastPass you do get AES 256 encryption and some nice extras like a security score and dark web monitoring. But honestly, here's the catch. Not all vault data gets encrypted, plus you might have heard about that pretty major security breach back in 2022. Now Bitwarden, oh, and here's something cool, it's open source, which means you or literally anyone can check how it's built. There haven't been any known breaches as of 2025, and it even encrypts all your data. Sure, maybe their security pop-ups aren't the fanciest, but personally that openness feels way more reassuring. Winner here. Bitwarden hands down. Moving on to price and free plan. So LastPass does let you sync across unlimited devices, but only on their paid plans. The free plan's kinda awkward, you're stuck with just one device type and their premium individual plan. It's basically $28.80 per year. Bitwarden, on the other hand, this feels like a steal. You get unlimited devices and passwords even on their free plan. Their premium plan is just $10 a year for individuals. Sure, you might miss some advanced features if your business is super fancy, but for the rest of us, Bitwarden takes it here too. Features: LastPass gets a nod for having a super user-friendly interface like genuinely nice navigation. You've got autofill, dark web monitoring, country restrictions, all that stuff. But past security drama does make all those nice features a little bittersweet, and the free plan is limited. Bitwarden brings you Vault health checks, Bitwarden Send for sharing sensitive info, and tons of multi-factor authentication options. The UI is a bit less sleek, maybe more plain Jane than LastPass, but the sheer depth of security features, yeah, Bitwarden's got the edge. Oh, by the way, did you know Bitwarden is completely open source? That means anyone, including you, can review its code for any security vulnerabilities. Super rare, honestly. Platform support is next. Both are solid. Seriously, you've got Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android browser extensions or plugins for each. LastPass is easy to set up on any platform, though syncing on the free plan is kinda restricted. Bitwarden goes a step further if you're a techie and want to self-host it. Pretty cool, right? Both are basically neck and neck here, so we're calling this one a tie. Now, transparency and trust. LastPass has been around a long time, so yeah, they've got the brand recognition, but because it's closed source you can't really peek behind the curtain. Bitwarden, well, it's open source. Anyone can audit the code, check for issues, and they love independent security reviews. That level of transparency is honestly rare and feels way more trustworthy. Bitwarden definitely wins here. And finally, ease of use. LastPass is super polished, the design feels modern, setting it up is a breeze no matter where you're using it. For some users though, those security headlines might be a turnoff. Bitwarden. It's straightforward, totally fine if you're even a little tech savvy and you can tweak it, but the interface is a bit more does the job, less shiny and new. For pure ease of use, LastPass takes it. If we stack these up side by side, Bitwarden really takes the lead in security, pricing, features, and trust. LastPass only squeaks out a win on pure ease of use, plus you get a super polished app, but those security incidents are tough to ignore. So, if you care about absolute privacy, transparency, and you want everything at a killer price, Bitwarden. If you're more about a slick interface and you really, genuinely want things to look pretty and be super smooth, you might go LastPass. For me, honestly, after seeing everything, Bitwarden comes out on top for 2025. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.